Okay. See, now we will go into the topic that is percentage composition. See, actually, it is a very important time. Particularly those who are working in organic chemistry or in inorganic chemistry or anything which is dealing with the materials. When they are trying to, suppose you think in this way, you have means isolated a unknown compound. You don't know its the elements present in that, or like how many elements are present in that. Okay. Or else suppose you already have a known compound, but you want to know the purity of that compound. Okay. So in these two situations, okay, first question, suppose when if you got one unknown compound, the first question it has to comes to your mind is, okay, what are the elements present in that. Okay. And the next question should be, okay, how will be the structure of that compound if it is organic chemistry. Okay. So let's see how this percentage composition is important in the case of identifying the purity, or else like identifying an unknown compound. Okay. See, percentage composition is nothing but if you take a compound, for let's take a water. Okay. So we know the molecular weight of water, right? It is nothing but 18 gram. Okay. In that hydrogen, it contains 2 gram, because 2 hydrogen atoms are there. It is nothing but how it has come, 2 into 1. Okay. And oxygen, it is going to be, what is the atomic mass of oxygen? It is 16 gram, right? Okay. So the percentage composition of hydrogen, it is 2 divided by 18 into 100. So it is going to be 11.11 percentage. Okay. So same way, the percentage composition, I will write over here, percentage composition of oxygen, that is it is 16, right? 16 divided by 18 into 100. So that is going to be around 88.89 percentage it will come. Okay. So this is the percentage of oxygen and hydrogen in this water. Okay. So now you can see, you take again another molecule, that is ethanol, C2H5OH. Okay. So the molecular weight of ethanol is, if you calculate, it is 2 into 12 for a carbon, and 5 into 1 for a hydrogen, plus sorry, not 5, right? There is a 5 plus 1, right? This hydrogen you should not omit. So 6 into 1 plus oxygen, it is 1 into 16. So it will come around 46 gram. Okay. So this is going to be the gram molecular weight of ethanol. Okay. So the percentage composition of carbon, that is how much carbon it will be there? 24, right? Because 2 carbon atoms are there. 24 divided by 46 into 100. So you will get around 55 point somewhere, right? Actually, let me see, 52.14 percentage. Same way, the percentage composition of hydrogen over here, that is 6 divided by 46 into 100. So you will get around 13.13 percentage. Same way, the percentage composition of hydrogen, carbon and oxygen, right? Percentage composition of oxygen, it is 16 divided by 46 into 100. So you will get around 34.73 percentage. Okay. So you think in this way, suppose when you calculated, okay, when you are trying to after you have isolated this ethanol from a mixture, okay, you are performing, think in this way, like this is a beaker, that this is, that this contain ethanol, but you are expecting that this compound is pure. Okay. And then you try to identify the percentage composition of different elements. Okay. You have got, actually, if it is a pure ethanol, absolutely pure ethanol, it is supposed to get the percentage composition of carbon from this mixture. I mean, this mixture will be from here. If you are taking ethanol, if it is absolutely pure, then the percentage composition of carbon should be 52.14, and the percentage composition of hydrogen, it should be 13.13, and for oxygen 34.73 percentage. Okay. Suppose, when you calculated the percentage composition of carbon, you might think in this way, you got a 60 percentage, or else 62 percentage. This shows that apart from ethanol, there must be one more carbon containing compound, or else maybe other carbon containing compounds are there. That is why the percentage composition is hiking. Okay, so this way you can identify the purity of, you can calculate the purity of a particular compound. Okay, so that is it about percentage composition.